What's the meaning of cufflink? Cufflink. Cufflink.
Cufflink. Cufflink. A cufflink is a decorative fastener used to secure the cuffs of a dress shirt or blouse. Instead of buttons, which are sewn onto the shirt, cufflinks have two parts that are linked together by a short post and toggle mechanism. The front part of the cufflink usually features a decorative design or logo, while the back part is a simple toggle. Cufflinks are often worn on formal occasions, such as weddings or black tie events, and add a touch of elegance to any outfit. They can be made from a variety of materials, including precious metals, gemstones, and enamel.